Set udah gede masih pakai sempak aja. Bangun lo. Udah gede masih pakai sempak aja udah gede.
Ondas muchacho arriba las manos, gabacho moreno penetra tu barrio, le enseño rolas de rock back frente. That's again, esto pa la gente. Like chanclazos, deep like fregadazos. Still got the coke and rum and flex the brazos. Then I hit you from a different angle. Lake sweep, cheap shot, bird shit, straight cop. Soy el twin, pistolero, guerrero, don't be afraid of that. A matter of fact, I got like 10,000 maniacs in the crowd on a very good night, but keep it hype for a fraction of that. To get the fatty like that. Electrónica en el aire, todos quieren baile. Plus my sick Latin style, baile. Trouble as they come. I can feel the drum, don't know the words, but you can hum.
Go. 2, 3, and I woke up early this morning and I went to the 5 and dime. I saw this pretty young lady that was real fine. I tapped her on her shoulder and said, "Excuse me, ma'am." She pulled down her pants and said, "Splack these hams." Whoa, Sally, that girl. Whoa, Sally, that girl. So we walked her to her house and she opened up the door. It was a heart-shaped bed in the middle of the floor. She pushed me on the bed, and this you can bet, in between her legs was real wet. So I grabbed her by her thighs and I moved up truly. She jumped off the bed and said, "Don't touch my booty. Don't touch my booty, cause I won't touch you. Don't touch my booty, cause it's not the thing to do." Whoa, Sally, that girl. Whoa, Sally, that girl. So we bailed out her house just to get something to eat. We saw a friend named Patty walking down the street. Patty turned around as we yelled out her name. She dropped to one knee and began to sing. Whoa, Sally, that girl. Whoa, Sally, that girl. Sally is a girl that likes to play, and if you want some lovin', Sally is okay. She has a different fellow every day of the week, 2 or maybe 3 just to make it sweet. Sally wants a man she can call her own, and 6700 she can call on the phone. Sally's never tired and she's never alone. All Sally wants is a fellow with